Going to troubleshoot offline print. There will be so many scenario comes when any printer is offline, like server printer, network printer, and direct printer. In the same scenario, we need to follow. Just press Windows plus R. This troubleshoot I'm doing in Windows environment. Press Window key and together R. Once you will press Window key and R, type over there. Once the pop-up will open, type services services.msc. Because I am typing services.msc because I need to open services page, Windows services page. Once I will type services.msc, hit enter. Once you will hit enter, over here you can check if services page is open. This is my PC. The local PC services page is open, and press the P in your keyboard. Once you will press P, you will get so many P options like like pair name resolution. You are resolving the issue of with what you are resolving the issue of printer. So go to the printer spooler, because once any kind of issue like printer is not working, printer is offline, we need to just restart the printer spooler. Just right click on printer spooler and restart the printer spooler. Once you will restart the printer spooler and try again to print. So here I have tested. In my scenario, there is no offline printer. Before, if you can check on the top, there is all printer is offline. You can check over here. So now here is no any offline printer. So this is the method we need to follow for if we are getting offline printer. Otherwise, there is one more option. You need to just restart your PC and delete the printer and again add the printer like network printer. You will get it will be resolved the issue. Thanks for watching.